Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy HomeLight Referral System, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HomeLight professional account. Navigate to the referral dashboard. Locate the Referral Opportunities section. Click on the Create Referral button. Choose your referral type, whether buyer, seller, or agent. Enter the necessary details for the referral. Provide the recipient's contact information accurately. Fill in any specific notes or instructions for the referral. Review all entered information for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to send the referral. Monitor the referral status in your dashboard. Use the tracking tools provided to keep tabs on its progress. Communicate with your referral partner as needed. Adjust your strategy based on the feedback received. Once the referral is completed, evaluate the outcome. Gather any lessons learned to improve future referrals. Keep detailed records for your future reference. Stay engaged with your referral network for ongoing opportunities. Regularly check your dashboard for new features or updates. Familiarize yourself with any changes to the referral process. Utilize HomeLight resources for further guidance if needed. Implement any new techniques or best practices as they arise. Celebrate your successes and refine your approach continuously. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.